Welcome to all of you in a new video. Now you can see my behind. It's familiar to you. You know this place. This is our shop, and I am here sitting in front of our shop. You know, Ramadan is going on. That's why our segment, this iftar, I sales here. Beside me, there is my partner. নাম কি তোর বলো? ফাহিম। আমার সাথে ফাহিম আছে এবং আমি ফাহিম এবং রাকিব আরো কয়েকজন ছেলে পেলে এখানে আমরা একসাথে এগুলো বিক্রি করি। নাকি ফাহিম? জি। আজকে আমরা কি কি বিক্রি করছি বলো? এখানে কি কি আছে? নামগুলো বলো।
বুরিন্দা,
আর এদিকে আসো, কাছে আসো।
মিষ্টি বরিন্দা, ছোলা, এবার দিলাম মাঠা, এবারে বেগুনি,
তারপর জিলাপি, বরিন্দা এগুলা নাকি? Today the weather is not so good, that's why people are not coming to Bazaar. That's why today sales it's not so good, but average sale. I don't worry about that thing. It's happening. Every day not perfect, every day is not equally selling day. That is the thing. Tomorrow is the best day. It's probably the best day. It's not our hand, it's God hand, and we just do our job. নাকি আমরা আমাদের কাজ করব, বেচা কিনা আজকে হোক না হোক নাকি, শুধু কাজ করব, ফলের আশা না করি নাকি? This is the thing, and I see you our Bazaar. This is our Bazaar, and now people are going to mosques to their prayer. This is the front side of our shop. That's all. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you're enjoying and to learn something new from this video. I trying just make myself better every single day and try to make my spoken English perfect every single day. Not perfect, to be fluent speaker. That's the thing. Thank you so much for watching the video. Best of luck for the future. Keep going, keep hunting, and keep learning.